I spent 5 hours building an AI tool that automates my content distribution. In the last 3 weeks, I've posted 9 clips across platforms using it. My total LinkedIn impressions in the past 3 months went from 21 to 7,837. That's 30x growth. But here's what nobody tells you about the numbers. Some of them matter and some of them really don't. Let me show you the difference. I'm a computer science student at UNLV. I work a 9-to-5 job, I'm building a SaaS project on weekends, I'm running a freelance website business, and I'm trying to post content consistently to build distribution for when I actually need it. Recruiter visibility, client leads, whatever comes next in my life. Every time I posted a YouTube video, I'd spend an entire hour extracting short form clips. I'd copy the transcript into ChatGPT, get timestamps, suggestions, open CapCut, scrub through the timeline, match everything up, add captions, format it for TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn. I spent an hour on this every single video. Because it took so long, I was only posting 2 to 3 clips per week. So I built Clip Cutter. It's a Python CLI tool that automates the entire pipeline, from a YouTube URL to platform-ready clips with SEO captions and hashtags as well. It took me 5 hours to build in one sitting. Here's how Clip Cutter works under the hood. I pass in a YouTube URL, YT-DLP downloads the video and the auto-generated captions. The script parses those captions into a timestamped transcript, every line tagged with the exact minute and second. The script sends the transcript to Google's Gemini API. I wrote a prompt that tells it to look for specific viral triggers, surprising stats, micro problems solved in under 60 seconds, contrarian takes, before and after moments, things of that nature. Gemini returns 8 to 12 clip opportunities with exact timestamps and which platform each clip works best for. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, LinkedIn. Then I pick which clips I actually want to render. For each selected clip, I hit Gemini again, this time with web search enabled to generate trending hashtags and platform-specific captions. LinkedIn gets professional framing, while TikTok gets casual hooks. Then FFmpeg renders the clips. 1080 by 1920 vertical format, blurred background, sharp center overlay with optional animated subtitles from Assembly AI. It turned a 1-hour manual process into 20 minutes of selecting clips and letting the tool handle the rest. Which means I went from posting 2 to 3 clips per week to being able to post 9 to 15 clips per week without adding more time to my schedule. Here's what actually happened to my reach after using this tool. I've posted 4 YouTube videos total. My view count ranges from 29 views on the low end to 584 views on the high end. That 584 view video was my built a startup for 5 months, got 0 users video. It performed way better than my other videos because the hook was strong, I had specific stats, I admitted I was wrong, and I hinted at a lesson. Now here's where it gets interesting. I took clips from that 584 view YouTube video and posted them to LinkedIn. The best performing LinkedIn clip got 1,430 impressions and 560 video views. The LinkedIn clip from that video got 1,432 impressions. LinkedIn outperformed the source video by more than 2 times in impressions. But here's the part that matters. Impressions aren't the same as views. Impressions just mean someone scrolled past it in their feed. Here are the real numbers on that post. 1,430 impressions, 560 video views, 12 profile viewers from that post, 0 followers gained, but I got 10 reactions, 3 comments, and 1 save. So what does that actually mean? It means 560 people watched that clip. 12 of them clicked on my profile, but none of them followed me. I got no recruiter messages, no new connection requests, just plain old visibility. Compare that to my average post. 415 impressions, 97 video views, 5 reactions, and 4 comments. This had way lower reach, but actually more engaged comments per view. Just zoom out for a second. Before I started using Clip Cutter, my total LinkedIn impressions were 76 on December 12th. As of January 7th, I'm at 3,846 total impressions. That's 50x growth in less than a month. I've posted 9 clips total across platforms, my YouTube videos are still small, and my channel is still tiny. But LinkedIn is showing me that if I keep posting consistently, I'm reaching more people every week. So here's what I learned from all of this. The 2 hours I've saved so far with Clip Cutter is nice, but that's not the point. The real ROI isn't time saved, it's the output I wouldn't have created otherwise. I'm now posting 5 times more clips than I was before. That's 5 times more chances for someone to discover my work. 5 times more proof I can build and ship things. 5 times more distribution without burning out. The best performing LinkedIn post got 1,428 impressions and 0 followers. Those are just feel-good numbers. I'm not really trying to land my next job. I'm not trying to close UGC deals yet. I'm not optimizing for followers, if anything. I'm building distribution infrastructure so that when I do have something to promote, whether it's my SaaS project, a freelance service, a job search, I don't start from ground zero. The 3,846 impressions I've generated in less than a month was proof to myself that I can make noise. That's proof I can show up on people's feeds consistently. I'm going to keep using this tool, keep posting clips, and I'm going to track what happens over the next few weeks. I want to see if this volume actually converts into anything tangible. Recruiter reach out, follower growth, anything of that nature. If you're building something, the lesson here is simple. Build tools that let you scale output without adding more time to your week. I built Clip Cutter in 5 hours and it's already unlocked 5 times more reach. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to see more videos like this.